Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a YouTube channel banner. This is the image that appear across the top of your channel. This will make your YouTube channel look more professional. And the best part of it, you only need a free online software and you don't need any graphic design skills to design the YouTube channel banner or the art. So let's get into it. YouTube banner is an image that sits at the very top of your channel, and it gives viewers a preview about what they can expect from your content. It is the first thing viewers see once they reach your channel and can help viewers identify your niche or who you make content for. Therefore, communicating what your channel is about and what you'll be helping them with. YouTube has put in place some banner size guidelines that you must follow when designing or making a YouTube banner. In a nutshell, it comes down to how your YouTube banner will display on the many different sized devices the viewers use. It can be a desktop, it can be a TV screen, or it can be a mobile device. You want your YouTube banner to look great whether it is displayed on the largest size screen to the smallest size phone screen. Otherwise, you are potentially losing viewers of your videos and new subscribers. Now, here are the guidelines that the YouTube has put in place for you to follow when designing the banner size. The YouTube recommended banner size is 2560 by 1440. The minimum image dimension is 2048 by 1182. The minimum image, what we refer to as the safe area, where now any viewer using any device can be able to see the content of the banner size, which include the text. The logo is 1546 by 423 and the maximum image width is 2560 by 423. It is extremely important to follow these YouTube banner size dimensions when creating a YouTube banner. Otherwise, the channel height may not display properly across all devices. That's due to the fact that your banner will display on many different sized devices differently. The banner will look different on a mobile than on a desktop or a TV screen. So we're gonna head over to the computer so I can show you how to design the YouTube banner image using a free online software tool. But before that, here is a visual guide or representation to the YouTube banner dimensions. So you can see here the maximum area, the TV screen, the dimensions are 2560 by 1440. Then you have the safe area, that is the desktop minimum, and the mobile we have 1546 by 423. Then you have the desktop maximum, that is 2560 by 423. Then we have the tablet dimensions, which is 1855 by 423. What does this mean? This means the viewers who are watching your YouTube if they view using a TV screen, whatever you add here will be able to view everything that you add here. The viewers with any device will be able to view anything that you put here. The same for the desktop, and the same for the tablet. So we are going to use Canva to design our YouTube banner. And Canva is a graphic design online platform that you can use to create the social media graphics, presentations, posters, and many other visual content. The good things about Canva is that it does not require you to have graphic skills to design it. So for our case, you can go here to the templates, have the social media, you can choose here YouTube channel art. Alternatively, you can go here and search YouTube channel art. You can see here, you can see here they have already set the YouTube recommended banner size, that is 2560 by 1440. You can see here. Alternative, you can see here, you can have the channel here. So there are so many ways you can start designing your YouTube channel banner or the art. So you can search there, or you can get it there, the desktop, or the main dashboard, that is the dashboard. Or you can go to template, then you select the YouTube channel art. Once you do that, so many templates you display. You can see there they have 1001 template. You can use free one. So if you can, they offer both free and pro versions of the templates. So you can select the free ones and be able to use. You can see this one is free, this one is free, this one is free. So many free one you can use, but in our case we are going to design one free one. We are going to design a free one. So you come here and you click create a blank YouTube channel art. So you create a new. So this design window will appear. And the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have the numbers here. Have the numbers here. So if your case you don't have the numbers here, just go to File, and then you say Show. Click this Show, or Shift plus R. Show the numbers. Because what we are going to do is we are going to design the visual representation of the banner art, the banner image. So we are going to design where we put the items that can be viewable on the TV, items that can be viewable by all the devices the viewers are using, any device the users are using to view your YouTube channel. That's why it is called the safe area, the desktop mini or the mobile. Those who are using the tablet, those who are using the desktop device with the maximum settings. So we are going to design this using now the Canva. And to do that, we are going to use the elements. To click elements. And I want you to search an rectangle. Just search an rectangle. I can use this one. So what you do is just click and then it will appear on the design tab. To appear here. So the first item to design is one for the desktop. You can see there it is 2560 by 423. The width and the height 2560 by 423. So this is 560. Then the height is 423. Then you snap it so that it will be. So that is one for the desktop, 2560 by 420. The next one is 1855 by 423. The tablet. Go back. Take your shape again. This time you give it a different color. So once it's there, you just select there. You pick another. So the height is the same, but the width is the different. We have 1855. 1855. Here you go. If it exceed with one, there at the center. Then the next one is the save area, that is 1546. 1546. The reason why it is the save area is because it doesn't matter which device the viewer is using. Anything or any content you put here, the user will be able to view. So that is 1546. So you add another, then change the color. Height is the same, 423, but the width is 1546. 1546. There we go. So now we have all the visual representation. We are viewable by the TV screens, we are viewable by the desktop, tablet. So we can now draw our guidelines. There we are, we have our guideline. Now we can remove our shapes. Let's remove. There you are, viewable on the TV screen, the save area, viewable by all the devices. Then you have the tablet, then you have the desktop maximum. Now is to start to design. is adding the items and the text to your banner. Remember here, you want anything to be viewable by the user, yet the users or the viewers are using the mobile phone, the TV, the desktop. You have to put it in the safe area. So you put everything inside in the safe area. That is 1446, or you want somebody with a tablet to be able to view only. You want somebody with a desktop with the maximum settings, you put it there. Let's go ahead. Let us put our items, the text, the safe area, so that anybody, the viewers, yet they're using a mobile phone or a desktop or any other device, they can be able to see our banner, our YouTube channel. So you can add the text or the images or the items using the elements. There are so many elements here, you can use them and you can search and then add them. Like for example, let's say you want to add this one, just click there and then it will go there, but you make sure that drop it to be in the area you want the user to be. So like for example, this is the safest area, so you put then the text. You have free one here you can use. For example, let's say this one, just click there and it will actually appear here on the design tab. There you are. It to appear here in the save area. And like click to change. Change the text. Or you can type. You want your text to type. And heading, subheading. Okay. And you can change the font type here. There are so many of them here. You can see here, there are so many of them. You can use the free one. There you go. You can enter the element. Or maybe you want something to appear on the desktop. Have a maximum. Go. There you go. Let's say you have designed your own images, text you want to add. You have designed your own, so you come here to the uploads. And you can upload any media. Say it's an image, for example, this one right here, created desktop. So just click upload media, then you'll be able to fetch it where you have stored it, select it, then you upload. add your text. Can increase and decrease the font size. Change the font type. Add any element you want. And any text you want. And change even the color, for example. You can change people to subscribe to your channel. You want it to be viewable in tablet, the desktop, that there. So people will not be able to view this if they use, for example, the mobile phone, but they will be able to view everything that you have added in this area. So basically, that's how you design a YouTube banner. You put it where you want it. So basically, that's how you design a YouTube banner using Canva. Make sure that you have added the dimensions and you add the text or the images where you want to be viewable by the users. Remember, you have those areas where you have the maximum area that's only viewable by the TV screen. Then we have this area which you refer to as the safe area. Anything you put here, either a text or an image, will appear to all the devices the viewers are using. Let's say the viewer is using a mobile phone. Anything you put there, you'll be able to see. They're using a desktop. Anything you put there, that's how you add your text. Like in our case here, anything here is able to be viewable by the viewers. This one will only be able to be viewable when they are using a desktop device. So you can upload your images here so that you can use them in the design here, or you can use Canva's free element here, and you just click them and then they appear here, and then you want them to appear where you want them to appear. Where you want them. Once you are done, just give it a name here. Just give it a name here, and then you just click download. Here PNG. There you are. It's done. Then you can actually upload it in your YouTube channel branding area. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.